Hello, cadets. The DeFi space is exploding right now, and you want to hear all about the exciting new projects here first. As we speak, a new revolution in the DeFi space will take off in a few days. The Injective Protocol is a project born from Binance Labs and is a project that wants to be the first universal DeFi protocol to offer cross-chain derivatives trading. First, there was yield farming and flash loans, and soon it'll be cross-chain derivatives trading utilizing Cosmos, Ethereum, and many other protocols. With zero gas fees, cross-chain yield generation, and the ability to trade any derivative market with only a price feed, you want to hear more about the Injective Protocol coming right now. I'm Captain Crypto, and welcome to Cryptonauts. For those of you who don't know, a derivative is a contract that derives its value from an underlying commodity or market, usually a real-world asset. Forwards, futures, swaps, and options are different types of derivatives used for hedging or speculative purposes. The oldest known derivative trade comes from ancient Greece. According to the story, a poor philosopher named Thales placed a deposit on all of the local olive presses 1 year in advance. The olive press owners wanted to protect against a potential bad harvest, so any money upfront is good. Because no one knew if the harvest would be good or bad, Thales received a low price to the rights of the olive presses. The following year, Thales' bet paid off, and the harvest was excellent. Everybody wanted to rent olive presses, and Thales charged a high price. Fast forward 2,500 years later, we have the Injective Protocol helping people like you and me use blockchain technology to trade derivatives and become like that ancient Greek philosopher. The Injective Protocol will have the INJ token that will be capable of different functions like a governance token similar to Yearn, an exchange token, derivative collateralization, liquidity mining, and staking. Because it has cross-chain capabilities, it will be front-running resistant, have no gas fees, and will be crazy fast with low block times. You will also be able to earn referral fees. No other DEX right now is able to do this. Last but not least, Injective just announced integration with Polkadot, which helps boost confidence in this project. Polkadot is a sharded multi-chain network, meaning it can process transactions in parallel versus one by one like most blockchains do. As you can see, Injective is shaping up to be an innovative leader in the decentralized derivatives market, so you don't want to miss out on this project. To learn more about Injective, check out a link in the description. The future of decentralized finance is looking bright, and you won't want to miss out on any future videos, so if you like this video, please hit the like button and click subscribe. Remember, cadets, hodl, secure your crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.